Hello, this is Andrew Gossage for Alpha Moon Studios LLC with our third Lua tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about something very important called a loop. What a loop is it's saying to the computer, I want you to do this same thing and I want you to do it X number of times, or until X condition is met. In programming, there's two main loops that you'll find in almost any programming language, and we're going to be talking about just one of them today. It's called the for loop. So the for loop is fairly simple to learn, but it's a little bit different if you're coming from a language like C++, which is my main language outside of work here. That's really what I got started with doing. Now I mostly use Lua, but C++ is what I got started with, so this for loop was a little weird. But like I said, it's fairly simple. So what you're going to do is you're going to do for, and then you are going to declare a variable, and set it equal to something, and set a comma. So this is going to be your counter. So this is going to keep track of how many times you've gone through this loop, how many times you've done this specific set of instructions. And then we're going to say what our goal is. So let's say 8. And then we have to add one more thing, and that is we have to tell it how it's going to go up to this. So we're going to say 1. What that means is every time we run through this for loop, it's going to take 1 and add it to the counter until the counter is equal to this. And then we write do, and then we're going to put the word end, just like we do when we're writing a function. So here I will put a print call, and we'll say hello world. And when we run this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh no! Why is this 9? Well, it's kind of funny. In most languages, you're gonna default to 0, but here you're gonna do 1. So from 1 to 8. This is going to equal out to 8 times. So there we go. Now, of course, we can, instead of putting it to 8, we can have it as a variable. And we can say x equals io dot read, right, to get some input from the user. We're going to say, let's do it 20 times. And then that's going to print 20 times. Alright, this was kind of a short one, but there you have it. Next time we're going to talk about another type of loop called a while loop. And then I think the time after that we're going to combine the two to make kind of a rudimentary game. So thank you very much. Have a wonderful week, and don't forget to check out the games we've got on our website, which is alphamoonstudios.llc. We've got some free in-browser games for you guys to play that were programmed by myself. And we also have some more tutorials for you like this. And also, if you feel like it, feel free to become one of our patrons over at Patreon.